Hey everyone, I am Jay Bretz. I established Excel Roofing in 1993. Over the years, we have done a number of multifamily projects. This is a project that we have completed. It was asphalt shingles. We had flat roofs on the garage. We also had some metal roofs on the garage. Today, we're out at Second East Village, and I'm with Ron. Ron, you're the community manager, right?
Correct.
With the roofing companies that you've had to work with over the years, how would you rate working with Excel Roofing?
It was a pleasure working with you. You had Adam on the site every day to handle all the issues that come up, and there's always issues that come up. You have 151 owners here who are on different schedules, have different needs and whatnot, and Adam took care of them all.
And so did you get any complaints from any of the residents?
Not that you get the complaint, it's what you do with it once you get it. Excel and Adam jumped on every concern that came in.
Any final words, Ron? Any comments about how we did out here?
It was a pleasure dealing with Excel, and Adam did a great job. We even got upgraded to the Class 4 shingles at no extra charge. So we appreciated Excel's work on this project and Adam's focus on here. And thank you.
Thank you, Ron. I can tell you, we've worked with a number of property managers over the years, and Ron has been especially good to work with. He's a pro. Ron, thanks for everything.
You're very welcome.
Excel.